Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Beam earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will show two different methods by using Android device. So let's start. The first method is by using JBL headphones app. So here is the JBL headphones app. Select JBL Tune Beam, and here inside the JBL Tune Beam, just scroll down. You see the last option is about support. So just select this option, and here inside the support page you will see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will give you two options. You can select the reset or you can select the cancel option. So as we want to reset these earbuds, so we will select the reset option, and then it will take you out of the app and it will start the reset process. Now the hard reset is completely done. Now if you want to connect it back, you have to go out of the app and then open the Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel, and here is the Bluetooth icon. So I will press and hold it like this, and now I want to connect it back. So first of all, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one, and then you have to close it for 2 seconds and then open it again. Now once you open it again, here you will see a notification about the JBL Tune Beam, and here you can see it is asking you for connect. So just select this connect option, and then it will start connecting the Tune Beam earbuds with your device. So here you can see everything is done. You can skip this Google option, and here you can see the JBL Tune Beam is now connected with the device and ready to use again. You can also check it through the app. So I will go out of the Bluetooth settings, and then I select JBL headphones app, and here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected with the app with all the features and functionalities. Now let's talk about the second method, and in this method we will only use the earbuds. First of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your device. So I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this. So here you can see the JBL Tune Beam is already connected with my device. Now take out these earbuds and wear in your ears. So I will take out this left earbud, and then I will wear it in my ear, and then I will also take out this right earbud. So guys, in the right earbud, after putting it in your ears, you have to tap on it 3 times, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So if you want to tap it, you have to just tap it like this, 1 2 3, and on the third tap just press and hold it for 5 seconds. So now I will wear it, and now I will tap it for 3 times. So 1 2 3. So on the third tap I will press and hold it for 5 seconds, and then after 5 seconds you will hear a prompt which says power off. So after power off, it will also get disconnected from your device as well. So here you can see everything is done. The JBL Tune Beam is now completely hard reset, and they are also disconnected from your device. So here you can see it is not connected with my device. Now everything is done. Now we want to reconnect them back. So first of all, just put your earbuds back into the charging case. So I will just put it like this in my charging case. I will close the charging case for 2 seconds, and then I will open it again. Now here, if you can see, it will give you this notification for the connection. You can select this connect option, and it will start making a connection. So here you can see the JBL Tune Beam is now connected. So you can skip this Google option, and you can see over here it is connected for calls and audio. And then if you want to check, you can also check it through the app. So just go out of this Bluetooth setting, select the JBL headphones app, and then after few seconds you will see the JBL Tune Beam will get connected with the app as well. So here you can see now it is get connected, and you can use all the features and functionalities. So this is how you can hard reset JBL Tune Beam with your Android device. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.